sorry, I didn't see you there. My head's always in a book. What's up, you guys? It's Belle. Welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, I'm just having way too much fun with this. Anyways, what is up, you guys? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are cosplaying as, you guessed it, Belle. I love Beauty and the Beast. It's just such a beautiful love story. It's all about what's on the inside, you know, it really is so beautiful. But today we're doing Beauty on the outside, and we're doing this costume. My interpretation of this. So without further ado, here we go. Belle costumes. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Time to go into town. Outfit of the day. Ta-da! Okay, so here is our little outfit of the day. Here is our Belle before look, which really I'm just wearing an apron and a dress. A little white off the shoulder dress with quite literally a blue apron that I put on over it. So funny. Of course I got the petticoat to make it like poofy and fun, but that is our little look there. Same black shoes coming in handy. La 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 la. Imagine if one day you just went to the store and the whole store was like singing a song about how weird you were. Iconic, really. Okay, anyways, here we go. Belle. This is just such a vibe, honestly. Gaston, please, it's never gonna happen. Papa! Hey, Daddy! That is that look, and now, are you ready for the ingredients for our actual costume? But of course, before I show you, here is a little vlog of me at the market, aka me visiting downtown. Okay, so we are downtown again. I feel like I low-key live here now. Okay, so this is the first time I've never had literally any idea what we're gonna do. We're just gonna see what inspires us. So let's see what we find. The only thing I brought as inspo is this shoe. Wow, this looks amazing in the sun. All right, downtown, what have you got for me today? Like, look at this. There is so much in here. There is so many fabrics downtown. It's crazy. This is just like one little teeny store. So, okay, God, yeah, madness. I'm thinking actually maybe something like this could vibe. Something like this could work. This is perfect. Belle today. You got some
Yes.
Beauty and the Beast things?
Yes.
We've only been friends for a decade. Okay.
Just for a decade.
Yeah. All right, so let's see what we got. All right, the chaos land of gorgeousness. Let's see. Oh, I just love Halloween decor. So fun, so creepy. Okay, but anyways, we're doing princesses, so flowers. Ah, yes, of course. And I think that completes our loot. So let's get started. Boop. All right, so here is what we ended up getting for this project. As you can see, it is all a very lovely shade of gold. But yeah, all right, here we go. Ingredients, beginning with the number one. I got this beautiful golden fabric. You can see, oh my gosh, look at the detailing on that. Oh, it's beautiful. So we're obviously doing an interpretation of the usual yellow, and we're gonna do all gold themed because I love gold. I mean, as you can see, my whole house is literally gold. I love gold, so that checks out. Oh, do give me a tour. I've never been in an enchanted castle before. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised at all if my candles just started talking in the night. That would like not even faze me. Hello? Okay, anyways, back to the video. I have this golden colored corset and of course a matching thong. You'll see what we're gonna do with that. I got some funky gold trim from Benny. Some more trim, I don't know, I just picked up some random stuff. Some nude thigh highs to go with it. Oh, I just thought these were too perfect and so fun not to get. So we got some golden bow ties. Instead of a tablecloth, this time we have chair bows from Moscatel's. Hello, sir. What's going on? Hi. Oh, hi, one little wild beast. Some nice little gold crystallines because duh. And of course, last but not least, we have one rose. Boop. So that is what we got at the market. And as always, I have literally no idea how I'm gonna make this, but here goes nothing.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is decorate the corset. So basically I'm going to take the fabric and I'm just going to glue it onto the front of it, well, all over the whole thing, but basically to make it look like the corset is made of this gold lacy material. So you can see if I lay it on there like that, sort of like this. Hard to explain, but I'm just gonna go ahead and trim that down to size. Super easy to cut the fabric, even with all the beads. Take my trusty glue gun and just glue that right on there. You can see, just press it on and it'll stay pretty groovy. That works that way, but yeah. La 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 la, ta-da, cool. So obviously we're gonna go ahead and glue the other side also. So went ahead and did the other side, and then it is going to basically look like this. So we got that all nice and glued on there. I'm gonna go ahead and add this trim on the top too to make it look a little more, you know, professional. So again, whoopity-doo-dah, hot glue that right on there just to make it look extra fabulous. For the underwear, same thing. Take the fabric, just hot glue that on, cut it down to size, obviously, and then look at that. We got a gorgeous little golden corset and a gorgeous little thong. Maybe I'll make this for other activities. Okay. Anyways, we got that all locked in place there. So now,
Hi, honey. What are you doing?
so now we're gonna go ahead and decorate it with kind of side pieces. Belle's dress has all these beautiful yellow drapes, so I'm going to use these chair bows for that. So you can see I'm just gonna kind of drape them on the sides like this to make it look fancy. So you can see I'm just gonna take those and drape those around to size. But what I'm really gonna do is I'm going to just tack those on like that, so it drapes around my shoulders all nice and beautifully and gives it that kind of Belle look. I'm gonna do it on the bottom too, so then it is all fluffy. By the way, we're going to decorate the corset as well, so glue on the little gold bows, glue on some crystals onto the bows. Basically, we're just doing a bunch of hot gluing. As all my projects are, I famously just glue stuff to stuff. It turns out good though, so... Okay, so for the cape part, this is kind of hard to explain, but you can just flip the corset over so it's the back. And then basically I'm just going to take the rest of the fabric and lay it on top of there. And I'm just going to tack it on the sides right there and there. So then you can see it will kind of drape down like that. And it will actually have a very cape-like effect. So you'll see when I try it on. But anyways, that'll be that. For the stockings, you can see the stockings have this lace. That's not cute. So I went ahead and glued other lace onto it and then glued a little gold band around the center. So it's kind of like a fancy garter. Then I took the bow ties, love these. I just went ahead and removed the string on the back. And then I just hot glued that right onto the center there to create a kind of little formal garter belt look that I'm going to be able to wear over the stockings. It's going to look like it's part of the stocking. It's genius. Now we're going to make some gloves. Again, I'm just going to take the fabric and I'm just going to trim that down so it can kind of wrap around my hand like this. You just stick a little piece of Velcro on that. You can connect it around and easily remove it. So super cool. Now we have our little gloves. Make 2 of those, obviously, because that makes sense. And 2 gloves, bada bing, bada boom. Boom. I'm going to go ahead and make a little necklace too. So I took the trim, made a little necklace out of that. Very fabulous. Made a little hair tie too out of the trim, just again with the little Velcro, super easy. Added it onto the garter belt as well. Again, just with a little bit of hot glue, goes a long way. And voila, that is basically how I made the outfit. So then you can see when it is all done, it is going to look like this, all glittery and fabulous and sparkly and just very glam. So that is how we made the outfit, and now it's time to turn ourselves into the princess version of Belle.
All right, so now that we finished the costume, it is time to put it on. So a couple little more fun things in this before look, and here we go. Tale as old as time. Ah, Gaston. Oh, Papa, do you think I'm odd? I feel like I just don't fit in here. I love fairy tales, they're so romantic. Honestly, if you locked me in a castle with a beast, I'd probably fall in love with him too. Okay, so for glam, I think we're honestly gonna leave it exactly as is, but we are definitely gonna change our hairstyle, so here we go.
Play all the classic Disney tunes while we get ready.
Take out our bow. I think if the Disney princesses ever had YouTube channels, honestly, they'd be a lot like mine. Ooh, man, I feel like a woman. Okay, we're gonna try and keep bangs. I got this cool giant hair chunk. Me getting ready is always so chaotic.
So I went ahead and threw my hair in a half up, half down thing. Pulled out some imaginary fake bangs.
Wow, I kind of didn't think that was gonna work, but wow, it did. Okay, lit. Nailed it. Now we're gonna curl it a little bit more.
Curled that, la la la. I should really be more careful when I'm curling my hair. yeah, anyways. Threw on some yellow gold earrings that I got on Amazon. So cute. And honestly, I think that's pretty decent Belle glam.
Okay, I think that's good Belle hair. All right, let's get changed.
P.S. If you want to do a more traditional version of Belle, I actually bought this dress on Amazon and it is gorgeous. It was actually a full ball gown, but I had it hemmed to be short. So this is a cute other version way to do it if you're interested in doing it that way. So you can see the finished costume here before and time to put it on. So here we are. Drum roll, please.
OMG, are you ready?
Oh my God.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Like you can see the detailing on it. Oh my gosh, this is just like, this looks like haute couture. I'm dying. Wow. It's like Belle if she went to the Met Gala and the theme was sexy. The cape, the shoes, the gold, all of it.
Oh my God, hello. This is so glamorous, I can't.
The hair and the makeup honestly slap too.
It's just so beautiful. Oh God, I don't think I've ever literally matched my bedroom this well. Oh my God, the hair, the everything, this is just a freaking look. You can see in the full-length mirror. Oh my gosh, this is just actually the best thing I've ever seen. It's just gorgeous. Sorry, Gaston, now you really don't have a chance. Princess wedding nights be like. Most people would wear this on their wedding night. I think I would wear this to my literal wedding. Maybe that's why I'm not currently engaged or dating anyone. I should play the harp. So princessy of me. Oh my God, the drama! Look at that, it just keeps going! Hell yeah. Ooh, spicy. You can see the details are just insane. Look at that. Oh my gosh, the crystals look so beautiful with the bows. This looks like it was made professionally. I'm dying. The fact that I just glued a bunch of shit to a corset is iconic. Yeah. This is like the best one yet. Hello, it is Belle Suave.
Oh, Rose, don't die. I'm waiting for a boyfriend.
Someday my prince will come. Will he?
Again, I am asking Prince Charming, where are you?
Please DM me.
Hi, I'm Belle. This is my audition for The Bachelor. I'm 28, I make YouTube videos, and I will dress up as anyone you like all the time.
Fun fact, I actually did audition for The Bachelor once, and yeah, I didn't get it. I don't know why though. Y'all missed out, Bachelor Nation!
I did such a good job with this. I'm flabbergasted.
It's been a long time since you fell in love.
He loves me not. I actually don't care about ripping apart the rose. Of course he loves me. Wild Beast making a cameo. Except actually you're a supermodel and the most beautiful dog in the world, so you're actually disqualified as the Beast. You can be Prince Charming. I love you. Now that's what I call
Oh, look.
So there you have it, you guys. That was my little DIY Belle cosplay. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys very soon for our next little princess look. But for now, don't forget. It is very fun to be super hot and sexy and spicy all the time, but it's true. True beauty's on the inside. Don't forget it. And on that cheesy note, I love you. Kisses till next time. XO.
Even though I'm a hotshot princess now, I still like to read.
Screaming, the book is upside down. That's fine. That's one of my talents.